When running workloads on Azure, one of the common practices for cost optimization is to automate the process of shutting down virtual machines when they are not in use. Azure provides a built-in feature called Auto Shutdown that helps manage and reduce costs by automatically turning off VMs at a scheduled time. This video will walk you through how to configure Auto Shutdown for Azure Virtual Machines, helping you save money and manage your resources efficiently. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT webcast. Before diving into the configuration steps, let's quickly discuss why Auto Shutdown is important. First is cost savings. VM incur cost while they are running, even if they are not actively being used. By shutting them down during non-working hours, you can significantly reduce your Azure bill. Second, resource management. Automatically shutting down unused VMs helps to optimize resource usage, preventing unnecessary consumption of Azure compute resources. Third is automated process. Instead of manually turning off VMs, Auto Shutdown ensures that they are always turned off at a predefined time, reducing the chance of human error. In the first step, we need to log into the Azure portal. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to portal.azure.com and sign in with your Azure account. Note that we have already created a Windows Server 2022 VM in Azure. Under Azure Services, click on Virtual Machines. This will open the Virtual Machines page. Now select your VM which you want to set up and auto shutdown. Here I have a virtual machine named FWS-VM01 that I'm going to configure for auto shutdown. On the left side, expand operations and then click on auto shutdown. Enable auto shutdown and then schedule a time for the selected time zone to automatically shut down this VM. Select the on option. Next, choose the appropriate time zone for your VM's shutdown schedule. It will be UTC plus 5:30 for me. Then select the time at which you want the VM to automatically shut down. For this demo, we will set the auto shutdown time to 9 PM. You can set the time based on your business hours or non-working hours. Azure gives you the option to receive notifications before the VM shuts down. Select yes in the send notification before shutdown option and provide details in email address or webhook URL as per your choice. Type the email address where you want the shutdown notification to be sent. This is particularly useful if you have team members who need to be informed before a VM shutdown. Once our settings are configured, click on Save to apply the changes. Wait for the confirmation notification to appear. Your auto shutdown configuration is now active and your VM will automatically shut down at the designated time, saving you cost when it's not in use. Here's an example notification email users may receive before their VMs automatically shut down. You will receive a notification message. Your virtual machine in Azure will automatically shut down. We have successfully configured the auto shutdown settings for the Azure Virtual Machine. That's another method to configure auto shutdown for an Azure VM. Select your VM which you want to set up an auto shutdown. On the left side, expand automation and then click on task. Click on add a task. We can use the power of virtual machine automation template to configure auto shutdown for the Azure VM. In this video, I won't cover it. In the next video, we will learn how to use an automation task to configure auto start for an Azure virtual machine. That's all for this video on how to configure auto shutdown for Azure virtual machine. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Azure and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.